flow, my life is gone. Is this where I belong? Is it wrong to not believe in right and wrong? My mental state is fucking me up.
What up, YouTube? I really missed you guys. I really missed doing this, and it's been a while since I did some tutorial on this channel, right? I've been really busy with some projects and with some school stuff. They are all lies. I've been really lazy for not uploading some tutorials for you guys on this channel. Really sorry for that, and I would like to use this opportunity to wish you guys a happy new year, since I've really not done that on this channel. Yeah, enough of this talk, and let's get back to the computer and show you guys how to achieve the color switch using Final Cut Pro 10 without any plugins. See ya. Okay, so you have your video on your timeline and already edited some pattern. By the way, this is a video I did on my channel last year. If you want to see the full video, I'll leave the link in the description box below. You can go check it out, and if possible, you can hit the likes over there. I would really appreciate that. Now let's get back to how to achieve this effect. First of all, you go to your effect box, click on color, and then you scroll down, and the effect that we're going to use is the hue and saturation effect. And also how to get there, you can just click on all under video, go to your search box, and then search for hue, and that will also bring out the hue and saturation effect. So now you click, drag, and then you drop it on your video, and the effect appears here, right? And on this, I wanted the effect to start exactly where he was lighting the smoke bomb, so that's where I want my effect to start. It's somewhere here, right? So you make a keyframe on where you want it to start under hue. So you make a keyframe by clicking on that to change the box to fill it, yeah. And then I wanted my effect to end exactly where it changes to this image, right? So this is the last part I want the effect to be. I'll make another keyframe over there, and on that keyframe I increase that to 360, and you can choose to go to 200 degrees or any amount that you prefer. I think it ends at 360, and you can just play around it and be creative with it. So now let's see what we have. Play it from the beginning again, and then we see how it goes like. So now you can see the colors keep switching from the red, and then it goes. Also, this is what you can do if you just want. You can see now it's just changing all the colors in the image, right? So now if you want, let's just delete all the keyframes here and go back to where it started. And let's say it just, for instance, this jacket, his jacket is red. We want just the jacket in the image to change, right? So you just click and use your pen tool under the hue and saturation. You click on where you want it to change, just to change on the image. Also, you can use the shift key to add more of the places that you want the effect to show, and also you can click on Alt to subtract the part that you don't want it to be on. So there's, I think this is okay, and then you increase the softness to 150. I want it to really show. And now we can start with our keyframes. You make a keyframe on where you want it to start, and then you make another keyframe at where you want it to end, and then you change the amount to 360. And now let's see how it looks like. So you can see it's just the jacket that's changing and not the whole image. And with this, you can also use in your music videos and any video you're doing. So yeah, that's how you achieve the color switch on Final Cut Pro 10 without any plugins. And if you really enjoy it or really like this effect, don't forget to smash the like button. I really appreciate that when you guys do that. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, if possible, to share for your friends and family to also know about this effect. And thank you guys, and as always, as usual, don't forget to be creative with whatever you're doing in your life. Peace out. I'm out.